Margam Country Park is a country park estate in Wales, of around 850 acres, 3.4 kilometers (2). It is situated in Margam, about 2 miles, 3 kilometers, from Port Talbot in South Wales. It was once owned by the Mansell Talbot family and is now owned and administered by the local council, Neath Port Talbot County Borough Council. Situated within the park are 3 notable buildings: Margam Abbey, a Cistercian monastery; Margam Castle, a neo-Gothic country house that was once the seat of the Mansell Talbot family, and the 18th century Orangery. The park is designated Grade 1 on the SADU ICOMOS Register of Parks and Gardens of Special Historic Interest in Wales. Entry to the park is free, although there are charges for parking. The Orangery, built by 1790, was built to house a great collection of orange, lemon and other citrus trees, which the Talbots inherited from their Mansell forebears. Nothing is known for certain of the origin of these trees, but legends suggest that they were originally a gift for the crown. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe for the next video. Thank you for watching.